Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how you can sign up for a Quora Ads platform. So for this, we can simply go on Google and search for Quora Ads, and that will bring us to their official website, which is Quora for Business. So this is the website, guys, where we can come and now you can go ahead and go to get started to start the process of signing up for Quora Ads, and where it will ask you for basic information like your business name. Okay, all of that will be asked. And from here, you will be signing on. This is going to be the home page of our Quora Ads. Okay, so this is where you will land up. So in the signing up process, they will ask you basic information like your business name, your website's URL, okay, and then it will ask you for payment details, which we'll have to provide. And once you do that, then you can simply sign up for the Quora Ads platform. This is going to be the home page where we are going to start off with campaign creations from. I hope this makes sense. In the coming videos, I will show you different campaign creations, which we will do on Quora Ads as well. So we'll get to see all of that as well. Plus, we will be covering different features of the platform, which you can make use of while you're running ads on the platform. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.